Next one, this is more for the therapist. You just let it go your arm, completely relax and roll yourself forward. Don't worry, I'm control you. So you see, I'm support that ball with my leg so he's not going anywhere. I supposed to hang it up right here, okay? I'm just showing from this side. So I'm holding the ball this way and leg. So my client is great for massage therapist. I'm roll him more. I want him to tuck that chin and push and squeeze against that ball, like try to push against that ball. Yeah, squeeze that goddamn ball. Yeah, now this is only with a partner, okay? Now I want you to push this knee against the ball and relax, extend. Push and relax. Push like squeeze. So you see what he's doing here? He's activate that glutes. Push, squeeze. If you don't feel it, beat it up. Now I'm let him go. Let it go. Relax. Make sure he's relaxed. Drop that knee. I'm grab that sacrum and I start dragging this down. The opposite arm, it's coming this way, and I'm open this up. I can roll him up and down. Don't forget, like, don't do crazy in the beginning, because the person, he don't know what's going on. He's the first time, same as a David, try to protect you. You feel good? You feel relaxed?
It feels like a very good
This way, or you stand up, you cover the bowl. You see that leg is covered, and all you do just grab that. You see, I'm grab that, and I pull.
Yeah,
Big inhale, and when he's exhale, you drag more. Now, yes. From here, I'm gonna ask him to push one knee towards the bowl. Only one knee. Relax. Push the other one. I want to see, here we go, and let it go. Relax, drop, and more. So he do some action. Like I said, you can go grab this way. Just want to make sure you explain your client what you're going to do in the beginning, because, and don't use the fingers. It's always palm. We don't want to go that way. Only on the sacrum on the top. No here, no side, on the top. Here, opposite arm, or this one is dragging back. So I'm pulling with my body, but this best way, okay? How you get out the clients from this position. You roll him back up and tell him, yes, bend your knee, get your butt back, and slowly get up.
that was
Okay,
good.
now you said push through that ball and drop your foot. Here we go, in deep squat. You see, he's rushing, he's here, and now he's pushing through the ball, and you get him up, especially for the older folks. How do you feel?
That feels much lighter. Yeah, very good. Your back is great. The core works. I mean, I feel more balanced because of the cross pattern.
Yeah, this is what's the call sport therapy. What's this sport therapy? No, it's not. This is the sport therapy. When you through the action, you feel your muscle, you release through your mind, through that hands, what's the manual therapy use, and that's what we're doing here. In Los Angeles, in LifeRx, we can go to your house. You can also come to this beautiful clinic, and we can work with you. This is the key. If you're rushing to help yourself, to heal yourself, we're here to help, okay? So, book us, call us, ask the questions, enjoy your day. Anything else to add?
No, I mean, it really does. It doesn't look as powerful as it feels.
Yeah, do those exercise, bastards. If you're not, you're going to be suffering and be in pain. Now, bye.